You're only one click away from hundreds of free viral visitors in as little as 60 seconds. Are you sick and tired of seeing your PayPal account empty every day? Have you tried everything you know about affiliate marketing but still not getting the desired results you wished for? Here is introducing Commission Boss. 100% free traffic, 100% beginner-friendly, works in any niche. Could think of complete step-by-step training. You don't need website, no coding or design skills required. The brand new method that's never been released uses 100% free buyer traffic that converts like crazy. 30 days money back guarantee, no risk at all. The easiest, most proven way to create highly profitable buyer lists. No more waiting, results in as little as 24 hours, so you never have to spend more money on ads. Why you need this? First, you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do, when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go on vacation and getting paid. Fourth, and the best part is, you're getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. How to work on it? Only 3 steps to start. Step 1, copy. Step 2, paste. Step 3, earn money. To make absolutely sure you get the best results possible, I've created the ultimate step-by-step guide that will take you by the hand and show you exactly how everything is done, even if you're a total beginner. The reason most people, especially beginners like you, are still stuck is because you're dabbling and not taking things seriously. You're lazy. Suffer from shiny object syndrome. Don't believe this really works. Lack energy, drive and motivation. No support from family. Now it's your turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Commission Boss levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitors. And you can effortlessly get viral visitors without any of the following: no tech skills, no being on camera, no setting up funnels, no previous experience, no paid advertising, no huge budget. Don't worry, there's no Google ads, no solo ads, no blogging, no YouTubing, no hard work, no hassles. Get over $427 in bonuses for free when you get Commission Boss. Bonus number 1, copy my cash secret, cost $172, a step-by-step guide on how you can create effective sales letters that appeal to your customers' curiosity. Bonus number 2, ultimate passive income, cost $128, step-by-step guide reveals how to create multiple passive income streams and make money while you sleep. Bonus number 3, Facebook Messenger bot marketing, cost $127, how to leverage this emerging platform to grow your target audience. The extra bonuses for me when you access this incredible method. Bonus number 1, how to get free leads and traffic to your website or blog fast. Simple hack. Bonus number 2, how to generate leads when you have little to no traffic. Bonus number 3, how to get traffic to your website, top 7 free and fast traffic sources. Bonus number 4, how to get 100 to 200 leads per day using Facebook free traffic, beginners friendly. Thank you for watching Commission Boss Review.